Hello, this is BJ from Hearns Hobbies and welcome to another unboxing. I'm going to be looking at this particular Fujimi kit. This is the 1/24 scale Nissan Sileighty. So if you're not sure what a Sileighty is, it's actually a mixture of a 180 SX back end with an S13 Silvia front end. So hence how you get the name Silvia for the Sil and 80 for the 180 SX. Now, because they're based on the same platform, that's why it's very easy for them to change it over like this. And it's quite a, I wouldn't say it's a common modification, but it is fairly popular amongst the Silvia and 180 SX owners. So let's have a close look inside and see what we get. All right, so let's look at the box art. Now, nice clean, very much a automotive type poster style illustration. So you've got new Sileighty. Now these are actually, let's see, these will be dating to the late 80s, early 90s. So S13 Silvia with the RP S13 180 SX. So if you just cover that up, it's definitely a Silvia here, and then over here, 180 SX. So the main difference between a Silvia and 180 SX is mainly the rear end, which is on a Silvia, is a sedan, or two-door coupe, and on the 180 SX is actually a fastback or a hatchback. Okay, let's have a closer look. Now this is actually a what they call a curbside kit, meaning it's basically just interior detail and exterior detail. So there's no engine or opening panels. But even so, when we open it, it is actually full of a lot of bits. All right, so over here we've got some clear bits. I guess it doesn't really matter what background color we've got. Clear bits are going to be hard to see anyway. All right, now there's quite a lot of glass, as you can imagine. Now we've got the whole rear glass there, which is for the hatch. You've got the front windscreen with the sides included. You've got a sunroof, clear sunroof there. So I'm getting a reflection happening, there we go. And then we've got light clusters and pop-up lights there as well. Okay, so we've got, this is actually 180 SX parts, I'd say, because there's pop-up headlights, which I won't be using on this one. And then there'll be the other bits to match up with the S13 Silvia, which I can't really see here. I would have thought there'll be some headlights. So maybe they're on a different sprue. So let's pop that aside. All right, over here we've got the interior components. All right, let's have a closer look. I didn't zoom in on the clear bits because it's going to be pretty hard to see what they are anyway. Let me just get that focus about right. There we go. So there's the interior bucket. You've got the rear seats are already molded in. The front end with the seat rails. Then you have your drivers and your passenger seats. There's a sporty bucket style. We have the dashboards. So you get two dashboards, the left-hand drive, right-hand drive. And with that, of course, your center consoles are going to be different as well. So left or right hand. Got your gear shift. And then on this side, we've got a wiper. That's probably going to be the rear windscreen wiper. Oh, I never know. Could be the front one because there's another one right here. And then we've got the wing mirrors, steering wheel, handbrake, and then your steering column right there. Okay, next along, we've got another set of interior bits, different styles of seats. And these looks like, what's that, SX? Was the rear wing. Right, so you got a rear wing there. Different seats. Slightly different shape, different steering wheel, and a twin exhaust tip there. Okay, what else do we have?